This is Austin Taylor from Provo Bike Collective. Today I'm going to talk about the ABC Quick Check, which is a way to make sure that your bike is safe and reliable every time you ride it. And then I'm going to show you how to patch a flat tire. So let's talk about the ABC Quick Check. Before you ride your bike, you want to make sure that it's working. So we have this system so that you remember what to look for when you ride. A stands for air, specifically air in the tire. So you want to give the tire a little squeeze with your hands. Does it feel like it has enough air in it? If it doesn't, you should pump it up. B stands for brakes. If you spin your wheel, do the brakes stop it? If it doesn't, you need to adjust something. Second, when you're using your brakes, they should be tight enough that they'll stop about halfway. If you have to pull your brakes all the way to the handlebar to stop it, then you should adjust something. C stands for chain. Look at your chain. Does it have rust? Does it have gunk? If it does, you should probably clean it and lubricate it. You want to make sure that your chain spins the rear wheel easily and that it shifts. Again, if it doesn't do that, you need to fix something on it. The last part of the ABC Quick Check is the word quick. A lot of bikes are equipped with what's called quick release skewers for the saddle and for both wheels. You want to make sure that these are flipped into the closed position. Most bikes are equipped with quick release skewers to attach the wheels to the frame. Every time you ride your bike, you want to look and make sure that the quick release is still in the closed position. If it's in the open position, your wheel can move or even fall out of the bicycle, causing you to crash. So always make sure that your quick release skewers are kept in the closed position when you're riding. Now we're going to talk about flat tires. If you run over a thorn or nail, air will start to leak out of your tire. If you hear this sound, stop and start fixing it. So I'm going to let all the air out of the tire. So take your tire lever and pull the tire bead off of the rim. You'll want to slide it to take the tire off. Now I'm going to pull the tube out. And set it aside. I'm going to take the tire off. And with your fingers, feel the inside of the tire. Again, if you ran over a thorn, nail, glass, it may still be in the tire. If you feel it, then pull it out. If you don't take it out, then your tube will pop again. Okay, so I felt and there was nothing inside of here. Now we're gonna take the tube, take your pump, your hand pump that you have on you, pump it up and listen and look for the hole. I found it right here. Take the sandpaper, go ahead and rough up the area around the hole. From your patch kit, take the patch glue and spread it on an area larger than what the patch is going to be. You don't need a ton. From here, you want to make sure that it dries completely before you put any patches on. Now take your patch and peel it off of the foil backing. Take your tube and stick it right where the hole was. Hold it down for about 30 seconds. Once you've done that, take your thumbnail and push the patch down along the edges. This will make sure that no air escapes the patch. If you don't see or hear any air coming out, then you've done a great job. And from here, all you have to do is put it back in the tire and you're ready to go.